Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Claude code command not found error right after your installation finishes using these simple fixes. This problem happens when your system window cannot find the path mapped to your fresh software tool, but you can clear this roadblock quickly to launch your workspace dashboard. Step 1. Append the hidden local storage folder to your path map. The first step is to manually paste the missing file path line into your computer's main environment settings profile so the system can find the execution file. If you are on a Mac, type echo export path equals $home/.local/bin:$ path > $/.zshrc and press enter. If you are on Windows PowerShell, type the command line to add your personal user profile .localbin folder to your path variable settings. Type source:/.zshrc or close your PowerShell window one more time to lock the new row path line tightly into the computer memory card. Because the automated installer drops the assistant file into a deep hidden local user bin folder, if your system profile mapping list does not explicitly include this deep folder address, your terminal will print the command not found error every time you type the name. Step 2. Remove leftover outdated version tool packages. The next step is to clear out any old conflicting copies that are blocking your fresh standalone software installation from running cleanly. Go to your typing text prompt row, enter the clean command npm uninstall-g at anthropic.ai/claude-code and hit the enter key on your board. Watch the screen canvas rows until the system confirms the global background node folder has been wiped clean. Because the old distribution method used a package manager tracking path that is now entirely out of date, leaving those old package blocks behind can confuse your system shortcuts, causing your terminal paths to cross and drop your active terminal sessions. Step 3. Run the system doctor command to confirm your status. The final step is to trigger the built-in health check tool to make sure your workspace pathways are wide open and working perfectly. Type out the verification command line, Claude Doctor, inside your active terminal window and press the enter key. Look closely at the printed diagnostic rows on your monitor view to verify that the main application path displays a healthy status message. This final step finishes your installation path because the integrated diagnostic check scans your network, directory settings, and files all at once. Once it prints out a clean report layout, you can instantly input your login command and begin your projects normally. And that's it. To fix Claude code command not found after installation, you first move your mouse to the command field to write the hidden .local directory path row into your permanent system map profile to reveal the tool location. Then you run the global npm uninstall line to drop any old conflicting package versions from your computer. Finally, you type the Claude Doctor command to scan your environment variables and unlock your active workspace instantly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.